What's up, what's up, what's up, you guys? It's your Skinny Boy Randy. Hope you're having a great, blessed, growing, and prosperous day. Coming to you live from my makeshift greenhouse slash in-house greenhouse slash do what you gotta do to grow your flowers. Okay? I love you guys. You're the best. You guys that just got home from out of town. I wish you guys, I hope you had a great Valentine's Day, for one. And two, I just hope you're in the land of the living and enjoying being in that place. We are to be thankful. We ought to be thankful for being in the land of the living. But I just wanted to give you guys an update on everything that's growing, you guys. Now, remember, I told you, it doesn't take much to make your own greenhouse. I used my little lights, and this one actually broke. And it's kind of dangling, but it's perfect. So I just hang it over inside of my container, and it lights up all of my plants. So let me give you a quick update on what's going on, you guys. Of course, you know, I got my Baker Creek seeds. Yeah. So we're going to go through and show you exactly what's going on. So let's start inside of the bucket. The little laundry bucket. Like I said, you get your laundry bucket, put your plants in there, and they will grow. Look at our peppers. Now, these are the peppers we were experimenting in our makeshift greenhouses in the containers. Look at those, you guys. So, our next video might be on transplanting some of these babies because they're doing well and they're getting big for their containers. Look at these tomatoes. Oh, and Ethan's plant over there, you guys. Remember Ethan? Look at the tomato plants. The grow light makes such a big difference, you guys. I'm so serious about that. That light really does make a difference. Now look at how they come up, and they have true leaves, and they have real leaves, and they have the starter leaves, and they're still short. They're not running, looking for the light. Yep. And if they do start running for the light, you can bury them deeper. You see all those little fairy hairs? Thank you, Miss Cheryl Tally Moss, for that tip. You can bury them deeper, and that part should grow out as well. Now, here are our pumpkin and cucumbers that Ethan planted. Look at that, you guys. I mean, like, wow. We're growing inside in winter. Today is February the 16th. And look at these gorgeous plants and flowers that Mother Nature just birthed from seed, you guys. Wow. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, here's some more tomatoes that Ethan planted. And this was on February the 7th. And a tomato is coming on out. Okay. Here is some hot salsa peppers coming on out. Planted on February the 7th. And if you look down in here, peppers. These are our big gem and our giant green peppers. Some Rutger tomatoes. Some cardinal hybrid peppers. And Ethan planted these, and he wrote on the pack, or did I plant these? One or the other. So these are the cardinal hybrid peppers, you guys. And then look over there in this container. Peppers just coming up. You can use whatever you have, you guys. You don't have to spend a lot of money. Just use whatever you have and get that good light. Okay, now over here, these are our seeds that we're germinating. Now, look at February the 7th on these. Cardinal hybrid. Look how quick the cardinal hybrid peppers came out. I'm trying to, oh, there we go. So you guys can see. These are the cardinal hybrid planted on 2/7/20. And I can show you what the Cardinal Hybrid looks like, because all of these are from the Baker Creek Seed Collection. Okay? Okay. Well, we don't have the Cardinal Hybrid. No, the Cardinal Hybrid came from Burpee. I'm sorry, you guys. The Cardinal Hybrid came from Burpee. And those seeds are in the greenhouse. Sorry. Now, here's some Butter Crunch lettuce. Butter Crunch lettuce we planted on 2/12. And look. That's just Butter Crunch lettuce. We planted on 2/12. And actually, I do have the package from that because it was a free package. Here we go. It was the free seed package that came from Baker Creek. The Butter Crunch lettuce. And look how they have sprouted. And I used my light over there. Oh, can you see it? I used that light over there and I just sit it right over top of this whole tray. I sit it right over top of the tray, you guys. Nothing fancy schmancy. We work with what we got. And these are some California Wonders. California Wonders coming up. Some Big Red Sweet coming on up. And we got Dead Sunset. Oh, I can't wait to see these beautiful tomatoes. Dead Sunset tomato. And they have broken ground. The Dead Sunset has broken ground, you guys. This is one of the ones I'm so looking forward to working with. And everything is breaking ground. This is the Aunt Ruby. This is the Aunt Ruby, and they're coming up. Also planted on, this was planted on 2/12. February the 12th. Well, wait a minute. Yeah, 2/12, you guys. So today is the 16th. 4 days. And there you have it. They're breaking ground. So just wanted to give you guys an update on starting your seeds indoors. You can do it. You can do it. And all it takes is little containers. Get your seeds in there. And this is just the stuff I have inside, you guys. These are the seeds I'm planting. Yeah, we have some orange plants we're going to try. And I think they're busting ground too. That's the Narangula orange. And looks like the seed is popping up through the ground, which means it's trying to push itself on out. I love you guys. But yeah, here you have it. Growing your seeds inside the house, indoors. All you need is make sure you have that light, y'all. Have that grow light so the plants don't reach for the light and they come out thick, healthy, and strong. It's your Skinny Boy Randy. I love you guys. You're the best. And yes, you guys, the National Black Farmers National came out early. The award for the Farmer of the Week. It came out this week, you guys. Oh my God. It came out this week. It was supposed to be in March, but it came out this week. I'm appreciative, but thank you. Yes, you guys. So, Black Farmers nationwide. Skinny Boy Randy, Farmer of the Week, you guys. Check it out if you have not already checked it out. So, I hope you're having a great, blessed, growing, and prosperous day. I love you. I love you. I love you. I can't thank you enough, Black Farmers nationwide, for the recognition. I appreciate it. I'm doing what I love to do. I love you guys. Stay tuned. Click like and subscribe if you have not already done so. Click on the bell. Just click, 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 click. Remember, live, love, laugh, grow stuff, and eat it. I love you guys. You're the best.